Namaste. I, JVN's Nitika Chatwal, Assistant Professor in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences, is here to deliver the lecture on Pharmaceutical Biotechnology, which is the subject of B Pharm 6th semester, and the unit we are covering is the first unit, in which brief introduction to biotechnology with reference to pharmaceutical sciences we will study. Now, what is the scope of this pharmaceutical biotechnology subject? Biotechnology has a long promise to revolutionize the biological sciences and technology. Scientific application of biotechnology in the field of genetic engineering, medicine, and fermentation technology makes the subject interesting. Biotechnology is leading to new biological revolutions in diagnosis, prevention, and cure of diseases. New and cheaper pharmaceutical drugs. Biotechnology has already produced transgenic crops and animals, and the future promises lot more. It is basically a research based subject. What is the objective of this subject? Upon completion of this subject, the person should understand, or a student shall understand, and the importance of immobilized enzymes in pharmaceutical industries, genetic engineering application in relation to production of pharmaceuticals, importance of monoclonal antibodies in industries, and appreciate the use of microorganisms in fermentation technology. Now, we study about brief intro to biotechnology with reference to pharmaceutical sciences, that comes under unit first of the subject pharmaceutical biotechnology. In this, the term or the word biotechnology has been derived from two simple terms of science, which is biology and technology. Okay, now biotechnology is the technology based on biology, especially when used in microbiology, agriculture, food, science, and medicine. Biotechnology means any technology application which is used in biotechnology means any technological application that uses biological system, living organism, cells, tissues, plants, and derivatives thereof to make or modify products or process for specific use. Biotechnology is application of the principle of engineering and biological science to create new product from raw material of biological origin. Now, biotechnology derived from three Greek words. Now, in pharmacy, every term basically, normally, many terms are derived from what? A Greek word. And in this biotechnology word, that is also derived from three Greek words, that are bios, which means life, technos, which means technology, and logos, which means thinking. The term biotechnology was used for the first time by Carl Erke, but it it was not the start of biotechnology. Carl Erke is known as father of biotechnology, which took the term of biotechnology in 1919. So here will be a question of MCQ which comes in many examination, that who is the father of biotechnology? So the father of biotechnology is Carl Erke. Okay. Now please note down this question. Now, what development of biotechnology? In the development of biotechnology, systemically, the development of biotechnologies up to its current stage can be divided into three different stages or categories. In ancient, first one is ancient biotechnology. In ancient biotechnology, domestication occurs, food preservation occurs, fermentation occurs, and cross breeding of animals occur. And second one is chemical biotechnology. And chemical, or sorry, it is classical biotechnology. And in classical biotechnology, law of inheritance is there. And this law of inheritance that is given by Mendel in 1822 to 1884. And theory of evolution is there, discovery of nucleus is there, and vaccination is also there, and discovery of penicillin is also comes under classical biotechnology. Now the third one is modern biotechnology. In modern biotechnology, double helix model of DNA comes, recombinant DNA experiment comes, monoclonal antibodies come, transgenic antibodies also come, gene therapy is also there, cloning in animals is also there, development of CRISPR is also there, transferring of memory is also there. Now we are going to study what is genotype. It is the set of genes in DNA which is responsible for a particular trait. And what is phenotype? It is the physical expression or characteristic of that trait, that is called as phenotype. Okay, now the entire genetic information about an organism is contained in genotype, and phenotype is the visible or observable expression of the results of gene. But in Bacillus, for example, in Bacillus thuringiensis, naturally occurring soil bacteria that produces proteins that are toxic to certain insects like Lepidoptera larvae. It has been used as a self-microbial insecticide. CRISPR, this term stands for clusters of regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats. It is a specialized region of DNA with two distinct characteristics: the presence of nucleotide repeats and spares used to develop transformative gene-based medicine for patients with serious diseases. Now, we are going to study about what are the major fields of biotechnology, or we can say what are the scope of this technology term. Biotechnology is a broad discipline in which biological process, organism, cell or cellular components are accomplished to develop new technologies. Okay, this is the main scope of biotechnology. Now, biotechnology has 4 to 5 types in their scopes. First one is in animal biotechnology, in which transgenic cloning is done. And the second one is medical biotechnology, in which recombinant DNA, gene therapy, stem cells, tissue engineering are there. And the third scope, it is an industrial biotechnology, where bioplastics, enzymes, diagnostic and food occurs. And fourth scope is environmental biotechnology, in which bioremediation, pollution control is there. And in the last one is agrobiotech, in which golden rice, where transgenic plant resistant plants are there. Now these are the scopes of biotechnology. Okay, Now, in pharmaceutical biotechnology, that this consists of the combination of two branches, which are pharmaceutical science and biotechnology. In pharmaceutical biotechnology, it covers the application of both industrial and medical biotechnology. It can be defined as the science that covers all technologies required for the production, manufacturing, and registration of biological drugs. Now, what are the application of pharmaceutical biotechnology? The first one is therapeutic enzyme. In therapeutic enzyme, pharmaceutical biotechnology is supreme one, and in anti-cancer drugs and in stem cells therapy, in monoclonal antibodies, in recombinant vaccine, in biosensors, in animal cell lines, in recombinant hormones, in antibodies, in antiviral agent, in plant tissue culture, in biofarming, in vitamins, in amino acids, and in microbial pigments. There are the major goal or role of pharmaceutical biotechnology. Okay. Now, what are the types of biotech based pharmaceuticals? Many biotech pharmaceuticals are similar or identical to protein that healthy to human bodies to perform normal function. In addition to gene therapy drugs, there are fewer major types. First one is cytokines. Cytokines are hormones like molecules that can control reaction between cells. They activate immune system cells such as lymphocyte and macrophage. Various recombinant cytokines, interferon, interleukins, granulocyte, colony stimulating factors are there. And what are enzymes? Now, enzymes below are description of recombinant enzyme and disease agents which they are effective. For example, alteplase that is used to dissolving blood clots. Okay, now this is the example of enzymes. Now, in hormones, what hormones are there? Human insulin that is used in the case of diabetes. Okay, the second one is Lispro that is used in recombinant insulin-like substance that fast the racemization. Okay, now in clotting factors. In clotting factors, amcimixib prevents blood clot adjunct to angioplasty, and in recombinant anti-homophilic factor treatment of hemophilia is done. And in vaccine, hepatitis B vaccine made with derivatives of plasma from person with chronic HBV factor infection, vaccine against Ebola virus, and vaccine against bacterial infection in which streptococcal pneum- streptococcal pneumonia comes. And in antisense technology, antisense drugs are complementary strands or small segments of mRNA. So that's it about this lecture. If you have any queries regarding this lecture, please let me know and make sure to write some notes about this lecture. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for listening.